Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So this is not a Happy Planner. This is actually an Archer and Olive planner that I got quite a few months ago and never used it. So Archer and Olive actually specialize in different notebooks with different types of really, really thick paper, and I love it. But this one I think was from a limited edition that they did a few months ago, because normally their notebooks are just the dot grid, but this particular one has this layout. So they've got the vertical plus then the weekend down at the bottom, and I wanted to give it a try for work because at work at the moment I don't have a ton of meetings going on right now, so it's not crazy busy. But I was also finding that in my hourly vertical, it was such a huge planner, and I felt like there was more decoration versus actual functional stuff. So I wanted to try this out, and this last week, you know, those were all my meetings. The ones with X's were canceled, any to-dos, and then down here and over here, because I don't work Saturday and Sunday, I used as note pages, and actually worked out really, really well for me. So I'm gonna give this a try and show you guys how I want to really simply and functionally plan using a different layout. I don't think I'll be gone from the Happy Planner forever, so don't worry, but I just want to try a few different things because of the fact I just really want to simplify and minimalize my system. So what I will be doing actually, so I told you it wouldn't be away from the Happy Planner for long, I am going to be using the newest stickers from the Disney Be Happy box, and then I will also bring in some mild liners, because mild liners I think are a great way to add color without needing a whole ton of stickers. Let's get started. Now the first thing I do want to do is date it. Now I say I don't work Saturday and Sunday, but Saturday of next week I am actually working and I have Friday off. So I'm wondering what would be the best thing to do, whether to just leave Saturday here and then use Friday, these 3 spaces for notes, or leave, like, white that out and put this for notes. I think I'm going to try just white this out and then white this out and then add in the date. Now the tough thing is, because this is book bound, there is going to be, I guess it won't necessarily be even. So Monday is the 14th. That's actually my wedding anniversary. Going on 13 years. I said that to my husband the other day and he's like, well done. I'm like, all right. And then Saturday is 18th and the 19th. Okay, so now that that's dated, I think what I'm going to do is very simply add a little bit of floral. I probably won't be using too many of the Mickey and Minnie because I find they're actually a bit big, but the Mickey and Minnie head stickers I think I'll be able to use. So if I do this and place one here, but then if I place one there, then it makes it really tough for me to just write the word meetings. Maybe I'll save this for a different one. Okay. Whoops. If I use this, and if it's going off the page, okay, how do I want to do this? Already I'm having like a tough time as to how I want to do this, because it's always going to be a little bit tough when you're trying something new. So let's just do that. Grab my scissors, cut that, and then use this for up here. And yes, it's going to go into the fold of the page, which I think it does quite well. Then I could put, I guess I could try put, but again, I don't want to take up all of that space. That would be great for notes. This is the tough thing. Where do I put stickers but still want to make this super functional? Then just a little one here. A little one here. And then what I think I will do is put this one in the corner. Okay, very minimalistic, which is fine by me. I think I'll put one more down here. And I think what I'll do is actually cut it and put it down here, and then the other half there, and then I will have to cut off the other part of that. That's okay. Oh, that's awkward. Okay, I do not mind that at all. So then what I'm going to do, very few stickers have been used. So what I'm going to do is then I think I'll go ahead and, you know, write the heading for meetings and then to do, and then that, and then we will see. So let me zoom you in so you can actually see when I'm writing. Okay, so this is intimidating for me because I'm thinking, do I want to use a brush pen or do I just want to use the super fine tip? And then I'm like, which color do I want to use? There's so many choices. Let's do the green because I love green. So we'll do green for meetings, and I'm going to hand letter that. Oh, anybody else hold their breath for that period of time? Yeah. Okay, so actually I am really liking that, so I'm going to go across all of the pages here, or all of the days of the week here, and write in meetings. And then I'm going to add a little shadowing effect to it as well. Now I won't put in meetings for Saturday because I don't have meetings on Saturday, I'm really just supervising. So then what I'm going to do is add a little bit of shadow to this. It's such a simple effect, but I feel like it adds so much. The key thing with shadow though is making sure you're actually doing it on the right side. I've done it before where I accidentally did it on the wrong side. It still looked okay, but scientifically it doesn't work out like that. Amazing how much that adds. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest. Oh, it's a little nerve-wracking, but I really love the look and the effect of it. All right, so that's the word meetings written in there. And what I think I'm gonna then do is use this with a stencil to be able to write in the meetings that I've got. So I'm just even looking at Monday. Monday I only have 4. But with how busy it is, we've been canceling coachings and team meetings to keep up with our call volume. So I think what I will have to do, no, we'll do 8 as the main number here. I like using the smaller one, and I feel like I do need a stencil because how often do I mess up when it comes to lining things up? So stencil all the way. I really like that. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest here. All right, so there are all of the meetings. Now, there were a lot more than the week before, so hopefully I still have enough room for all of my to-dos. I think I will do. So with the to-dos, I'm going to go with the orange. Different color, absolutely. I want to kind of practice though, in terms of maybe I write to do, tasks. What do you guys think? I think I'll go ahead with the word tasks, or I'll switch them both up. I don't know, we'll see. Now the tough thing is, how am I gonna make sure that this is straight? So let's grab my ruler. And to make sure that it is for tasks that I can easily erase after. And then I feel like on Saturday I can certainly do tasks, because Saturday will just be, there's no meetings, but catching up. I really like being able to practice my hand lettering here. Oh, I love that. I really like that. So now that I think that has dried a little bit, I'm gonna be able to erase. And I know this plan with me is taking a little longer than normal, but I feel like it's funny how when you want to be more simplistic with without using as many stickers and use more pen, it does take a little bit longer, but the effect I really like. So I'm gonna go in and add the shadowing again, and I'll speed through it so you don't have to. All right, I am really liking the way that looks so far. So I'm gonna add, maybe leave that as a note, or maybe just add another small sticker to kind of hide the whiteout. So yeah, let's add a little cluster here to just kind of hide the whiteout, and then I can write in the word notes. And this time it'll be with purple. And then as the week goes, I will do little dots with the purple. I really like this color combination, and I think it goes really well with the new Disney stickers. All right. Oh, I really like that. And then I'll add notes one more. Wait. I won't be able to write notes on top of that because that's white out. Now, I don't really want to add a big Mickey face in the middle of my work planner. So I'm gonna cluster those two and then write notes again. So this is essentially my before the pen, and I actually do really like it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna actually zoom in and you guys can see me do some writing in of my meetings. All right, so there is my overall spread. Obviously it's not completely filled in yet because I filled this in with my day-to-day tasks, and then I add in tasks and notes in this area here. And so far, I mean, it did take me a little while to write in and things like that, but I actually found that really, really satisfying, and being able to write everything and seeing how simple everything is. Just very simplistic with touches of color here and there, and I feel like this will be really worthwhile for me going forward. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.